I saw my neighbor's child struggling to pronounce the Yoruba name written on my shirt, and it dawned on me that if you are here in your home country where this language is widely spoken and you are struggling, definitely children outside the country have more challenge, and I should start teaching this language. And that was how I started. That was what inspired me to start. One of the challenging moments was monetizing it. Yeah, I started free. Like I was teaching for a whole year for free, and when I started to charge, we're like, it's not just Yoruba, this, that, and I had to educate the audience about the value and why it's important for them to pay. The platform we use, the research, the teaching, the other tools, and all. So that was a major challenge, and I was able to overcome it. And now other teachers are now charging for teaching Yoruba language, and I'm so glad that I was able to break that barrier. Language cannot die, irrespective of the issues coming here and there against our culture, about our language. The truth is, this language cannot die, and it's a major lesson for me. Seeing children going to school, standing, tall to talk about who they are, their identity. That's a big lesson for me, that if children that are not in their home country can stand tall among other children, among other tribes, to talk about who they are, then this is definitely going to last longer than we could ever imagine as a nation and as parents. The change that I have seen that really inspired me was when we moved online. I started teaching from my living room, and then to a space in a school, and then transitioning online. That's a major, change, because how will I teach someone in the UK or in Canada without me traveling to meet them wherever they are? Just online. That's a major change, and I love the results so far, right? And we are not just teaching children in Nigeria, but children, adults in different parts of the world. I'm super proud of our journey from my living room to a space in a school, and then to online, reaching different learners across the continent. This one is tough, and then for me, I would say don't be fixated on one aspect of the culture. Explore more. Yes, there is 1001 ways to expand this culture. Don't do what everyone is doing. You can have your own model, you can have your own strategy, and don't be money driven. Let the culture, the language, the sustainability of the language, let it be your drive. Yeah, let it be your drive. It's big and it's huge. We are expanding. We are having much more offering aside from Yoruba language. So watch out, and we have a very big announcement to make very soon. So please watch out, and thank you for staying with us in this last 7 years of Akonilede Yoruba. I am super proud to have witnessed this journey. Thank you, everyone.